Smart designers are taking advantage of AI, while others are complaining about AI taking their jobs. Today, I'll be showing you guys 5 AI tools that make UI UX designers 10 times faster in 2025. Welcome back, guys. So tool number 1 is UIZard. UIZard is your sketchbook but smarter. Just upload a hand-drawn wireframe and boom, it becomes a digital prototype in seconds. It also offers pre-built components and themes for rapid mockups. Second tool on our list is Galileo AI. This tool generates clean UI screens from natural language prompts. Let's say you input a prompt like create a login screen for a banking app. It creates it in seconds and it does the rest: layout, color scheme and copy included. Third tool on our list is Magician for Figma. Magician is a Figma plugin that generates copy, icons and components using AI. Describe what you need and it appears right inside Figma. This is perfect for rapid prototyping. Next we have on our list as number 4 is Relium Website Builder. Relium builds an entire website layout, structure and copy from a prompt, export to Figma or clean HTML and CSS. Ideal for freelancers and MVPs. The last on our list as number 5 is Attention Insights. Attention Insights uses AI to simulate heat maps, predicting where users will look first. Great for optimizing layouts, call to action placement and design hierarchy. AI, as we all know by now, isn't replacing designers. They are co-pilots. They help us focus on creativity and problem solving. Let me know if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of these tools. Like, subscribe and share if this helped you. Bye for now.